Alright, here we are again. Had a little bit of time today before I go to work, so I just went and pulled one head off to check the stroke on it, see if it's actually 383, which the flex plate did have a weight on it, so, but you know, people sometimes can be dumb. The first thing I pulled off, I noticed, I checked the number on this. It was a GM crate motor, like 250 horse, supposed to be like 8.5 1 compression. And first thing I noticed, it has been rebuilt then because it's got flat tops before valve release, which is a good sign. And then when I checked the stroke, I still have my tape measure right here. Let me see. Yes. Got the piston all the way down on the bottom dead center. Let me get my phone situated here. Yeah, I don't know if you can tell. Jesus, this is really hard. Being a one-man show here. Top of the deck, about 3 3/4. So that tells me it's 383 strokers in, because a 350 would be a, of course, you know, 3.48 inch stroke, a little under 3.5 inches. So yeah, we got ourselves a 383 stroker here confirmed with flat tops. Good deal. So, and we got the approval from the wife. I just ordered a Comp Extreme Energy. Hey, I'm trying to do a video here, son, okay? Be quiet. Alright, anyway. I already got it in a 274 flat tappet hydraulic comp cam Extreme Energy. But I got the approval from the old lady to run a roller. So I don't know if I'm going with a Big Mother Thumper or Extreme Energy roller. Anyway, I'm going to put a roller in this damn thing. And that's going to be way less stressful because I can just start it up, check for leaks, and go. And anyway, here it is. Cylinder walls look clean. I noticed this cylinder right here a little more darker than the rest of them. I don't know what's going on there. But everything looks good on this side. I won't have time to pull the head tomorrow because I'm going to wake up and go right to work. And it'll probably be, Monday, you got a holiday, so probably around Tuesday we'll pull the other head off and check it out. Anyway, there we go.